Hello, everyone. Welcome to 5-Minute English Series. Today's word is achieve. If you've ever set a goal or dream, this word is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll not only know its meaning but also be able to use it confidently in your daily life. Stick around till the end for a fun challenge. Let's dive in. The word achieve is a verb, and it means to successfully complete something or reach a goal through effort. It's often linked to hard work and determination. Think about goals like learning English, graduating from school, or winning a competition. Achieve is what happens when you make those goals a reality. For example, I want to achieve fluency in English. This shows that fluency is your goal, and you're working hard toward it. Now, let's see how achieve works in real-life examples. She worked hard to achieve her dream of becoming a doctor. If you practice every day, you'll achieve great results in no time. Think of another example using achieve. Write it down and share it with us. I'll check a few in the comments and give you feedback. Achieve isn't just for casual conversations. It's also a great word for formal writing or speeches. Our company achieved significant growth this year. Another example. He was able to achieve a balance between work and life. Try this. Replace the word achieve in these sentences with synonyms like accomplish or attain. See how it changes the tone. Share your thoughts below. Your turn. Think of a goal you want to achieve. Maybe it's learning a new language, passing an exam, or even something fun like mastering a new recipe. Write your goal in the comments. Here's mine. I want to achieve fluency in Spanish. What about you? Let's share and inspire each other. Let's expand your vocabulary with some synonyms and antonyms for achieve. Synonyms: accomplish, attain, succeed, reach. Example: she accomplished her goals. Antonyms: fail, miss, lose. Example: he failed to achieve his target. Here's a fun exercise. Make 2 sentences. One showing success with achieve or its synonyms, and one showing failure using its antonyms. Post your sentences below. Great work today. Remember, achieve is all about reaching your goals through effort. The more you use it, the more natural it will feel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't watched the previous videos in this series, check them out too. See you next time for another exciting lesson. Keep achieving your dreams.